Hello. Today is a little bit rainy day, damp but okay temperature, and we are under roof, and I will pick up where I did last day left. So, meaning I'm putting the covering plate back on and I'm securing this exhaustion pipe to its place with this clamping tool. Little bit had to do some kind of tinkering that I'm getting it to be its place, and well, it's not very beautiful, but no matter. Only thing that it has to do is keeping this exhaustion pipe to rotate. I mean, from rotating. Like you can see, this doesn't have anything to keep it facing one way. But very soon, when I'm using that clamp and with this top cover, I will secure it with the like iron sheet, some small piece that even if it's doing like this wiggling movements, it still holds its place. It is like a quality of life type of thing. It doesn't matter even if it's rotating, but I don't know. It seems so stupid if this thing is rotating all the time. Well, that's my opinion, but somebody may say, why do you even care? But like my other machines, they are fixed into place, but this one is free to move as it wants. So I don't know, I'm not having that, let's just say simply. But this can stay here. So this another clamp would be okay, but diameter is way too big. For that collar it is okay, but that collar is in here. So I'm not putting this back because this is already in. I mean this. You can see it's topped off and won't go any tighter anymore, and still it's too big. But this will see some other projects. But that another one will suffice. But now, yeah, I'm getting that covering plate back to its place. Okay. Here we come. There is nothing in the way. Yep. So, somewhat. Okay. Did we find the place? Yes, we did. Okay. It's once in a like a lifetime with these machines. It's nice that when you are taking some simple cover out of the way, you almost can do like anything that you need to do regarding maintenance, repairing, changing stuff only by removing 2 plates, meaning one when they are together, but you can, well, this might be hinged so that this is a one piece anyway. So this one goes there. So now we are assembling this once more. And sorry for the lighting, I have this lamp with me, but this assembling job is so simple that I don't need it, and maybe you guys already have seen some assembling and disassembling that I have done. So this isn't anything new to see. So let's where this could be that longer one, and which way is the better? This can be that long one. Okay. This another way. It's almost where it needs to be. Oh, well, I did not think that very truthfully. This one is the long one, so I thought this side is the furthest one, but thing is, it's the other way. Well, no matter. Like so. This is the right place for it. And now this side. Yep. Okay. Now they are where they are supposed to be. This lock nut was no. There we go. And this is in a place. Okay. Before I do anything else, we will start to check this exhaustion pipes position and how I can clamp it into place. Now I'm happy about it that yesterday when me and you watchers made what we made, and now that even this piping annoyance is going to be solved, I hope, but I think I know already what I have to do with this. There is some stuff. Let's see, can I fit this in without any hassle? Wiggling, waggling. Come on now. Almost. There's one spot where it will go in without any fighting, but I don't remember the position. There we go. Nice. Oh, where is that? I don't see it from here. Where is that? Like a glove. So, if I had to do anything else, it's ready. And obviously, little bit cleaning should be in order, but well, not in this video. I don't clean some small space, and maybe somebody some else time some other spot. No, I'm cleaning this whole tractor from the bottom to the top when it is the right time and there is nothing else to do. So this thing is not going any beauty contest anytime soon, so I'm fine with it. These other bolts, they are with my hand screwing capability, but this is maybe 13, if I don't remember wrong. Yes, it is. Then we will change the tools for the moment. 30, 12, no, this was my testing for that inch tools. It's funny, some of these Ford's bolts and nuts are using metric system, and some of them is just plain inch system. Little bit both. Yeah, somewhat. I don't know, can you see it? I will show you anyway. Some kind of construction have to be in this place when I'm tightening this up, and I'll try to make something that goes here and preventing this whole exhaustion pipe to rotate. Somehow, some way, we will see. And probably you cannot see because the bright background. I'm making a mess again. This is tempting to start cleaning up, but may the temptation be as high as it wants. I'm not doing any cleaning now. Yeah. But anyway, this clamp goes here. If I might have some kind of small, like a spring, that also might work. But this because this is always the same thing. There should be a seriously some fixed point to attach this whole thing. So we have to, or I mean I have to think what kind of fixed point I could make. Something that will wedge this in the place could be nice, but I don't have any this triangle. Well, it's not a triangle; it's a wedging tool, not tool, wedging bit. But I had this thought that what if I'm putting some wedging bit made out of wood? Well, do not do that because it's a hot place and it will decay over time because it's getting wet, it's getting dry, it's getting this black goo and what else, and I might catch it on a fire. So nothing that can ignite, no, nothing like that, no plastics or any sort of thing. So it has to be metal or at least something. This is not easy feast because if I doing something, just I will slap this on and well, we will see is it okay or not. Well, what kind of thinking is that? You are very soon doing this work again. So it's not just snap. Yes, I have this nice idea. Let's do it now. Oh, camera decide once more do something idiotic. I don't know, it might be these sounds and my English and what else that the camera thinks that I'm saying that it can shut down and so on. By saying that, it didn't do what I told. I didn't told it to do it, but when you are saying so, it might think that, I can start buying, yeah, or something. Well, it seems that how much would it rotate by itself? Huh? Well, now that the clamp is in the place, I could use this. This has this lip in it. On it, I mean. You can go this. Which side? It's almost straight. Oh, well. Well, in that case, I could even use this all the way. And this can go back to its place. It doesn't have to be in. Still, I'm thinking what would work. I'm not giving up yet. Don't judge me. Okay. Somewhat like so. This free play is what it is. Can even go. But this is the place where the lip could be in the secured that it won't move. Yeah, that won't do anything to help. It will do this kind of movement anyway. I have to test things. This is not rocket science, but it is science that is not just slap it in the place and yeah. Now we have it. No. Little bit tinkering is always nice. Maybe under. Would that be doing anything to help? Well, I don't know, can you see it, but when it's in place, it will work. But the movement is still there, so not so much this will help any. But now, same thing. And if it's behind here, doing same thing, I cannot clamp it where it want to be. I have to believe it won't do any good. So back in the basics. And no matter the side I will put this on, make any difference, or does it? Here? Nope. Well, this is little bit angled. It's not like a straight cut through this blade. It's little bit angled upwards. So it could go under like so. Doing anything, maybe, perhaps, no, yes. But if I put that metal piece to its place, I will leave it there. It might prevent with this side lip to it go at least easily to rotate, at least. So if it is like so, I don't know. This ain't gonna work any way that I would think it work. There might be someone watching this idiot doing something stupid. If you have some better idea than I have right now, at least, give me a shout. What should I make to prevent this whole exhaustion pipe to rotate? Well, I already give you some kind of my own designs what could work, but like I said, I don't want to do any over engineering to this small annoyance. There is some this while you are driving, this latch is going to open, and it will prevent that this exhaustion mist gases, what else are coming from the pipe, that it's not coming straight away my face. So there is a little bit this kind of thing why I want to it's facing that way. But my head is little bit empty now. When there is enough complex thing, my head will work way differently than like these simple problems. Well, this is not a problem. This is a let's just say it's like a quality of life. Let's just say like a thing. By doing so, like now, work, maybe not. Now it did strike me, and that is extremely stupid. But the idea is idea. Here is the fixed point, this mirror's body. I will hook like some iron wire to here. Will work. Prevents it from rotating as it is tightened. Looks better than hideous, but I will leave this in here, and that might tempt me to sometime to even do that iron wire thing. The simplest thing in life. Oh my god. Well, anyway, one of the idiotic ideas, but idea anyway. Guys are thinking, oh my god, this guy is mad. Yeah, but 100% probability it will work, because here is the hole. Clamp is clamped to fixed point to this body, and here is the another point that is fixed in this body. two fixed points together is one single strong point. Or well, it's not strong if it's between those points are used iron wire, so it will give some kind of movement. Anyway, I'm done. I'm done. So I'm putting this rest of this bolts and excuse me, I'm burping like a mad today. You are what you eat, goes the saying. So I think I have been eating some kind of pork today because I'm porking like a pork. Oh, see. So now we are opening this, and hopefully I don't have to open up that open up those that I have already tightened, because if these holes are not aligned, I am going to open them up again. Somewhat. Hopefully not. No, I don't remember which way were these. But, I think this could be this. This one is from here. Ah, well, good luck with fitting your hands to it with this bolt. Ah, this is hideous. Well, let's start moving this battery away. Well, help a lot, I think. Or not, I don't know. Come on, come on. Where are you? Them hole. What? How this is even possible? There we go. Woo. I can maybe get this in place or not. Come on. Oh. Well, I think it will hold. It's a nice thing that this machine has this capability to move a battery, and also this. This is not good thing. It will. Well, it did not broke through this. Someday I have to renew these terminal cables. They are thick as they should be, but the placement is. Oh my God, where are you? Sorry about that. I don't know how bad was the angle. There is this. Well, these are not sharp corners, but corners all the way. And these are not fine copper cables. Now there's a metal spike in my thumb. Nice. Or something is stinging like a bee. So I'm trying to prevent that. If this is positive at terminal, it will break this insulation. Well, I'm having problem. So I'm trying to prevent that it won't go such a way. Perhaps it's well, now it is not taking any contact to the main body. I can squeeze that in place. And what about this? Well, that went way easier than the another one. Obviously, these are not originally these kind of I mean these bolts, and what do you call it? They are not they should be a normal bolt and nut, but as you can see, there is only two that has to be dismantled with tools, and the rest can go by hand. So if there were 4 bolts to dismantle with tools, it would take more time and effort than this only these 2. So it's better thing that I can dismantle this with only my own hands. And these side panel screws, bolts and nuts, they could be these as well, but I thought if they are taking some kind of the inner tight space, they are taking some branches or anything to them, or when I'm walking near these side panels, it might grab me in some clothes, I don't know, anything, and rip it open. These are not sharp, but when they are in wrong place, in the wrong time, well, it could do any kind of damage. So I'm not taking that risk. Anyway, they are in place, and now we will see, does this be its place. Lock and load. Yeah, I'd say we have a successfully, if this is an upgrade, well, we did upgrade one thing, and we did bring this tractor's usable time, well, how could I say it? The usage time for this tractor is extended now to way later to the running year than it has been before. Big time. As long there is not, well, I'm not using basically these things in a waterfall when, I mean, waterfall, yeah, I mean raining, because I'm wetting myself unnecessary. But if I'm doing some work and I am caught to weather when it starts raining, well, that won't matter. But when it's snowing, no, I'm not touching this thing at all. I don't want to sit in a cold place where it's the wind and it's raining snow to my face and every place. No, that's not my kind of deal. But if I must some way or somehow do such thing, well, it is possible. No matter the sub-zero temperatures right now. So this project has been very enjoyable. There was much to think and somewhat of excitement, and also some kind of fair element. Well, it's not fair, but you know what I'm meaning, because of that this heating thing, that my thermometer went red and won't come down. Well, of course it will come down, but even still that was this factor that made me think that did I do more harm than good to this machine. But as I did learn, and hopefully you get some new experiences as well, that even in a direct situation, there is always this time to think, at least these kinds of situations, I mean, that think before you act or do anything. And like I did, it took me some kind of time to figuring this out, that wait a second, you just changed old stuff away and some I mean you replaced the old one with the new ones, but the old ones that stayed behind are still affecting this whole project to the point that I just have to believe that nothing went broke, but they are acting differently. So the sensor is a little bit off, that, well, it's not maybe off, but to the point where this machine's specifications are from the like a factory state. And now that I have renewed some parts that affect how hot or cold this tractor is operating, the old sensor with the thermometer, they are working, but they are not in the same calibration. Meaning, now that we know that, it won't be a problem. And if there is some this overheating problem somehow occurring, it starts to smell very bad before anything happens. And while I'm doing job, when this is like a standby well, let's just say I'm standing like now I am, and this tractor is fired up. It won't gain any heat, even if there are no any liquid in, because heat dissipation is enough as it is right now. But when it's under some kind of load or even heavy load, well, the heat dissipation is not enough. That's why these things has liquid cooling. But before any bad things happens, it will start to smell and indicate. There's lots of things that will happen before the head gasket is going bad. So in this case, I can be with a peace in my mind that it is okay. Even the thermometer is doing itself what it is doing. But anyway, now it's not raining. I probably make a second video. I'm sharpening my chainsaw blade and I will show it to you. And I will state this tractor maintenance was success, and also this electrical installment is okay as well. So we did 2 projects almost side to side, and well, I have to make these videos some kind of relation to that they are both in, like I had to do these electrical things also, that I can use this water heater. Basically they are within same project, but they are different things, okay. But I will compile somewhat them or making them separate, I don't know. We will see. But as you can see, when life give you something, you will do something out of them, whatever they are. Lemons, apples, you know the phrase. But anyway, this is my home. I do what I have to do to survive and so on, so forth. And I like to share it with you. So at least you know that this kind of house, no matter how small the project is, somebody has to do these things, that they will continue your life, and perhaps saving some money even. Well, these things in the shop might cost some serious money, and they are, of course they are, it's a business. If they see that you have these problems that did I have, they would have been renewing so much more stuff to this than I had to change. And well, obvious reasons, the money, but I think I will renewing these oils as well as this coolant, now that I will get all the gunk out. Perhaps I can't never get them all out, but that what comes out will comes out, and never see these machines insides again. So every little piece will help. Yeah, I'm happy about how this turned out, and now I will have to get to the another projects and this will come out hopefully sooner than later, that you can see how long things can go. I've been done at least 3 straight, almost straight days. I don't calculate those hours, but these hours that I am being done anything tractor related, plus that electrical job and some talking nonsense that will cost some time, that I'm not doing anything, but I have to talk to you what is the reasons and what is my perspective on the things, and you know these things. Somebody might think that I'm idiotic and talking way too much and not doing so much, but I'm cutting most of my talkings out, perhaps, I don't know, and this is part of like a video log at the same time as I'm doing something. But this is me. You don't have to like it, but if you do, nice, and if you don't, I'm sorry, but you have to bear with me, or well, this kind of jobs and well, perspective, how things are going to happen in my place, well, they will happen like I'm doing them. So enough of this talking, and now more working. I will see you in next video. If you like and perhaps put some comments, it's appreciated, and follow me to next videos, and also thanks for watching. So to the next video. Bye bye.